Puppy Power Toys! Hi Puppy Pals! Today we're gonna open up some Smooshy Mushies! We have the awesome Series 4 Smooshy Mushy cupping cakes! And these are so cute because they look like a little thermos that you drink your hot chocolate in! Alright, let's see the surprises we could get inside. These are all the cool, awesome surprises we could get. Looks like we're gonna get a little Smooshy pet and a little mystery bestie. That's awesome! Alright, now let's open these up! Oh, look, we can see inside! Oh, and it says hot cocoa! So yummy! Look, who is that? That looks like maybe a little bird? I don't know, we'll have to find out. Oh, and this is extra whip. So yummy! Ooh, what did we get in here? Oh, it's like a mini little thermos. So cute, and it has a keychain. Oh, we have this cool little blind bag. Let's see. Oh, this is our mystery bestie. Let's see who's in here. Oh, is this a blueberry pie? So yummy, and it's so squishy. Oh, let's look at our little pet. Oh, it looks like a little owl. So fun. And it's so squishy. Look at that. Oh, and look how slow rising it is.
So adorable. I love it. It's so squishy.
What else is in here? Oh, looks like we got a little name tag to put on our little squishy. And what's this? Oh, we got a sticker. We could put this on our notebooks and it'd be so cute. All right, let's open up this little pink one. Oh, this one is pink on the inside too. And this says rainbow sprinkles. I absolutely have to have sprinkles on my ice cream. What about you guys? Oh, and we got some more hot cocoa. Let's twist this open. See who we got. Oh, and we got another little bottle. Let's see who our little mystery bestie is. Ooh, what yummy dessert is this? Is this like an ice cream sandwich? I don't know. Or is it like a macaroon? I don't know, but it's so squishy. All right, tell me in the comments below what you think this is. Is it a macaroon or like an ice cream sandwich? I hope it's an ice cream sandwich because I love ice cream. So squishy. Ah! Ooh, what did we get in here? Looks like a zebra. Oh my gosh, it's a little kitty. So cute. Look how squishy they are. Oh, I just have to squish them every way. They're just so fun to squish, you guys. I love the way they feel. Look how funny the little kitty looks. So funny. We got our little name tag again. And we got a cute little sticker. How adorable is that? All right, let's take a look at our guide. Look at this ultra rare little pony. I hope we get that one. It is so adorable. Look at the little pie. Oh, and the puppy. It's a little pug. That is so adorable. These are so fun, you guys. I love them. Looks like these are from series 1, 2, and 3. That's so awesome. Oh, I wonder who we got in here. Look, it looks like a little tiger. And this one, it comes with mini marshmallows. And we got our little bottle again. Let's see who our little mystery is. Oh, is this like a cheesecake with some strawberries on top, maybe? That is so cute. So squishy. Oh, look how cute this is. It's a little tiger. So adorable. Look at his little tail and his little hat. Looks just like his dessert. He's super, super soft and squishy. So fun. And look how awesome they are as keychains. They are so cool. These could go on your backpack, on your keys, and they would make such cool keychains. I love that. Look how awesome. You guys, these smell so delicious. I just realized they smell so good. It smells like desserts in here. So yummy.
Oh, what do we get in here? And we got another little owie.
These were all so squishy and so cool. I can't wait to collect some more. Which ones do you love from Series 4? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another video. Okay, bye puppy pals!